Okay, how to draw a bird. There you go. Done. Bird flying. Seagulls flying in the distance. Okay, so to do a really simple bird, we're going to start off by doing an oval in the middle of our page, which is like a squashed circle. Just press really softly with your pencil. I'm doing it a bit harder for the video. It's like a potato that's about to fall over. And then we're going to do another potato up here. And we're going to do a wing shape. 2 lines for a tail. A little triangle for the beak. An eye. And some legs. Some toes. Just join the head up like that, and then we can just change the angle a bit to make it like a nice S there, and then move the head around like this maybe. That was a bit harsh, that angle, but different birds have different shaped heads. And then we can just rub out those beginning lines, the sort of potato bits. That bit can go. There you go. There's your bird. If you like, you can add a few more details. So we can put a few curvy lines on the wing, then add some longer bits here. I'm going to change. I don't actually like the shape of his head. Let's make him a bit kinder looking. And always rub bits out. I mean, it's up to you really. So I'm just going to change the angle a bit like that. We can add another line to give him a beak. We can add another line here. Yeah. There you go.